Hey everybody, it's Sonjdradeluxe. Can I get a girl? Yeah, well, we took a little break. Sometimes we just need a break, and I took one. And anyways, let's get into lipstick, and I'll explain more about the break in other videos, but I just want to play around and swatch right now. Also, I missed you guys a lot. It's so hard for me to stick to just what we're doing and not try and talk and fill everybody in. But anyways, so the stunning, iconic Rihanna came out with the Fenty Icon lip colors, and I wanted to swatch them because I haven't done a lip swatch or any type of video in a while. And also, can we talk about she's pregnant, and I'm so happy for her because it's so cute. So anyways, let's get into this lipstick. Sustainable packaging with the refillable case. So it comes with this, which clicks to open the thing, but basically you just put this end piece on, snap, and then take off this lid, and then you can just push it in like that. When you want to use it, click it, take it out, bam. And that's how it works. I love that there's, you know, more sustainable packaging and easily comes out too. Let's see what it's supposed to do. It's also tailored at the top to fit Rihanna's iconic Cupid's bow. She has a very pronounced Cupid's bow. It also has a mix of vitamin C, vitamin E, and hyaluronic acid. It's supposed to give you nice precision, but the colors look really good, and I'm excited about it because I haven't really seen a lot of like lipsticks that I've been excited about in a long time. So let's build one up. Let's try them all. So maybe I'll go lighter to darker. So this one is Motha Luva. It's a peachy nude. Oh, this feels so good. I think this would be cute with like a darker lip liner, but we're just trying on the color for now. I think it's very much a vibe though. And this is also a semi-matte formula, but it feels really buttery and very smooth. It's winter, so my lips feel definitely more dry right now. I like how it just makes my lips look smooth. Next up we have Major Magnate. I think I'm gonna like this one a lot. I love this color so much. It is like having a lip liner with it because it's so easy to put on. It just makes your lips look so smooth. I love this color. I think this one would look good with the Motha Luva in the center too. The little ombre moment. So let's just try it. I'm obsessed. That's really cute. Ah! No! I dropped it right on the freaking tip. Butterfingers. Broke my heart. That's okay. Classic me. Next up, we'll do Pose Queen. Probably a little less pinky than the Motha Luva, so more peachy. This just feels so good on the lips. Again, this would probably look really good in the last one I just did. I find myself like really liking to wear a darker lip liner, and these are perfect for in the center. Or even just mixing the two lipsticks. I can't wait for Fenty to come out with lip liner. I don't feel like these are gonna be staining, so I don't think I need to worry too much about which color I use because my lips feel fine so far. Next up we have She is CEO. It's weird because it feels so thin, but so much goes on. Like it's very full coverage. This is a vibe. I like this one a lot. This one's really cute. But I just like how smooth it makes my lips look. Just like how I said, sorry. Now we've pretty much got an idea of how they wear, so let me just like try on the rest very quick. This one is Grill Mast'r. It's like very much a spicy, orangey brick color. Oh yeah. As somebody who's like really trash at lipstick, I'm really enjoying how easy these go on. This one's cute. This one is Ballin Babe. Oh, it's kind of like a plummy nude. It's almost like just lip color, but better. I like this one a lot. I think this is cute. Okay, this one is Board Member. This one's cute too. I love this. I think this is so cute. I love it. If I could compare them to the first lipstick formula, it's totally different. I would say this is an improved formula from the first launch of solid lipstick. We all love the Stunna lip paints. That's so cute. This one's called Flaunty Auntie. I didn't take it off too well, but that's okay. Oh, this is so nice. This is like a beautiful chocolate color. Huge fan. Flaunty Auntie, I already showed you that one. Okay, so this is Scholar Sista. Another cute nude. Ooh, I like this. Kind of pinky. Again, I'd probably use like a darker lip liner, but maybe not. This is really cute. Ooh. One last one, which is what she wore to the event where she was with ASAP, and it was so cute. I'm saying ASAP like I know him, but I don't. But they're the cutest couple, and I'm so excited to see what their baby looks like. This one I was really excited for. This one is the MVP. This is so cute. One thing about Rihanna, she knows how to make a classic, beautiful, iconic red. Oh my god. I love this. These are really nice. Okay, so anyways, quick quick video. I just wanted to show the swatches and let you know how I feel about the wear. They feel really good, especially now when it's winter and it's like super dry out. I feel like I'm just bathing in lip balm, so these feel really good and also feel super moisturizing. Also with the vitamins, anything that's going to make your lips look more youthful, I'm all about. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you're gonna copy any of these. I missed you. Let me know if I should do a Euphoria look because everybody's talking about it. I've never seen the show, but I want to, you know. Love you so much. Stay pretty. Love yourself. And I'll see you guys again in the next video. Take care.